Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another panning challenge. It is the Finish 5 by Cinco de Mayo. Real quick, if you're new, my name is Sarah and I'd love for you to join the fam, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that we stay notified of when I upload. I've already started this project pan. I know it's running into another project pan, but I'm just trying to keep I'm just trying to get my product usage going and trying to push stuff out of my collection. This one is 79 days as of February 16th. Today's February 18th. I'm going to try to get this video up ASAP. Let's get into the 5 products real quickly. I saw one of my YouTube friends. She is panning this in a spring panning challenge or something like that. But this is the Wet n Wild MegaGlow contouring palette. This is in the shade Dulce de Leche. I realized I haven't touched this a whole lot, and this color, I'm going to use it up, but it just makes me look super orange. I don't know if it's coming across. I see it on the viewfinder. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but I really want to use this up and not just declutter it. It's not a bad bronzer, but I don't want to get the deeper one. I forget what it's called. I don't know if it's like caramel toffee or something. I don't know. But the other one's a little bit deeper. However, I do like the shade on the deeper one, but the lighter shade is kind of a banana powder, and this one's kind of like a light cream, slightly pinkish powder, and this contouring color is a little bit, it is warm because it does turn orange on my face. I'm not sure why this is like the cool tone palette, or if it has to do something with my skin chemistry, skin tone, I don't know. But it turns a little orange on me. So I'm going to try to use that up. I guess this one I'm kind of cheating, but it's the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pressed Pores Powder. It's a little travel size one. I don't know if you guys can see, it's almost done, but there's definitely still a lot of product left on the edges of the pan. This next one is a concealer that I recently opened that I forgot I had. It is the Wet n Wild Illumi-Naughty Highlighting and Concealing Pen. This is in the shade A Happy Medium. And I went ahead and put my little blue line right here. And so hopefully in those, well, as of today, 77 days, it should be gone. It is taking forever for me to use up this brow wiz. I don't want to blind you guys by putting a white piece of paper on the screen. And hopefully you guys can see from back here. I do have this little initial or first mark right here for the Anastasia brow wiz. It might not seem like a whole lot, but like I said, this product just takes forever to use up. Okay, so that's a little bit of a better view of how much I have left. Not much, but still, this product is just, once you get it warmed up and going, it gets pretty, I don't want to say opaque, but it's pretty pigmented, I guess, and so a little bit goes a long way. And the lip product I am wearing today, it is the Wet n Wild MegaLast lip color in the shade Bare It All. I had to I don't know if you guys watch my declutter, but the whole lipstick just fell out, so I had to take a lighter to it underneath and just melt the lipstick a little bit to stick it on there so that way it'll stay. So hopefully it'll stay there. Hopefully I'm not too rough when I apply it, but I don't know why I rolled it down. So you can see it's basically almost full, but I do love this shade as an everyday color. Like, it just looks absolutely so pretty. Absolutely so pretty. Absolutely amazing. I don't know. Do I keep repeating myself? I do have that one. Let's see. It's this line on this side there. So anyways, that is my 5 products. You know, I'm just going to keep this intro nice and short and to the point. Let me know down below if you're doing any panning challenges. I would love to check them out and get inspired. Motivate me to use up my products, and so that way they don't expire, because we don't want expired makeup and we don't want our money to just go in the trash. So anyways, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.